Imagine this. You check your bank account, and for the first time, there's a solid $1,000 sitting there. No stress, no panic, no last-minute scrambling for bills. Just security, freedom, a step toward financial control. But let's be real. Saving money feels impossible when every dollar seems to disappear the second you get paid. Rent, groceries, gas, unexpected expenses, it all adds up. You might be thinking, how can I possibly save anything when I'm barely getting by? Well, here's the truth. You don't need a huge salary, extreme budgeting, or crazy sacrifices to build your first $1,000 savings. You just need the right strategy. In this video, I'm breaking down the ultimate step-by-step plan to help you save your first $1,000, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. I'll show you the exact methods that real people are using right now to build their savings without feeling deprived. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clear roadmap, but also simple, game-changing hacks that will make saving money easier than you ever thought possible. And trust me, you won't miss the last tip, because it's the key that could double your savings without changing your lifestyle. Let's get started. Step 1. Set a clear and realistic goal. Before you start saving, you need a clear goal, and $1,000 is a great first step. But instead of thinking of it as one big amount, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, if you save just $20 a week, you'll hit $1,000 in under a year. If you can save $50 a week, you'll get there in just 5 months. The key is to start with a goal you can stick to, even if that means just saving $5 at a time. Quick action tip. Write down your savings goal on a sticky note or in your phone's notes app. Seeing that goal every day will keep you motivated. Step 2. Track every dollar. Yes, every single one. You can't save money if you don't know where it's going. Most people think they don't have any extra cash to save, but when they actually track their spending, they're shocked at where their money is disappearing. Here's what you need to do. For the next 7 days, track everything you spend. Use an app like Mint, NAB, or just a simple notebook. Separate your expenses into needs, wants, and waste. Once you do this, you'll start seeing where small changes can add up to big savings. Quick action tip. Look at your last 3 bank statements and highlight any expenses that weren't necessary. That's money you could have saved. Step 3. Cut the invisible expenses. Most people don't realize how much they're losing to small, unnoticed expenses. Let's break it down. Subscriptions you don't use. Do you really need for streaming services? Cancel the ones you barely watch. Bank fees. Switch to a fee-free bank or avoid ATM charges. Impulse purchases. Ever walked into Target for one thing and walked out with 5? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything. That's not essential. By cutting just $5 a day in wasteful spending, you can save $150 a month, nearly $2,000 a year. Quick action tip. Go to your bank statement right now and cancel one subscription you don't use. That's instant savings. Step 4. The 50/30/20 rule, a foolproof budgeting trick. If budgeting sounds scary, don't worry. This method makes it easy. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Even if you can't save 20% yet, start with 5% and work your way up. The key is to build the habit of saving. Quick action tip. Every time you get paid, automatically transfer a small percentage into a separate savings account before you spend anything else. Step 5. The no spend challenge. A fun way to save fast. If you want to fast track your savings, try this. Pick one week where you don't spend on anything unnecessary. Instead of buying coffee, make it at home. Instead of takeout, cook meals with what you already have. Instead of going out, find free activities like hiking or movie nights at home. Most people save $100 to $200 in just 1 week doing this challenge. Quick action tip. Challenge yourself to a no-spend weekend and see how much you save. Step 6. Find extra money without working more. Saving money isn't just about cutting back. It's also about finding extra income without getting a second job. Here's how. Sell stuff you don't use. Old clothes, gadgets, or furniture can bring in quick cash. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey for online shopping. Switch to a high-yield savings account to earn interest on your money. These small tricks add up fast. Many people find an extra $200 to $500 just by doing this. Quick action tip. Go through your closet today and find 3 things you never use. List them for sale online and put that money straight into savings. Step 7. Make saving automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. The best way to guarantee you save money? Automate it. When you manually move money into savings, it's easy to forget or convince yourself that you need to. Spend it instead. But when you set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings right after payday, you take the decision-making out of it. Even if it's just $10 or $20 to start, those small amounts add up over time, building your savings without you even noticing. Most people don't miss money they never see. Plus, if your employer offers direct deposit, consider splitting your paycheck so a portion goes straight into savings. The key is to make saving effortless, so it happens in the background while you focus on everything else in life. Quick action tip. Log into your bank app and set up a recurring transfer to your savings account, even if it's just $5 or $10 per week. If your employer allows paycheck splitting, set aside a percentage for savings automatically. Step 8. The secret to sticking with it. Here's the final key. Make saving money exciting. Instead of seeing it as a sacrifice, think of it as a challenge that brings you closer to financial freedom. Track your progress visually. Use a chart, an app, or even a simple jar where you drop cash and watch it grow. Celebrate small wins. Every $100 milestone is proof that you're making progress. So treat yourself in a budget-friendly way, like a homemade special dinner or a relaxing evening off. Find a savings buddy. Challenge a friend or family member to save alongside you, making it a fun and motivating experience. Set a reward system. Once you hit your $1,000 goal, allow yourself a small splurge, like a guilt-free movie night or a nice coffee, as a reminder that saving doesn't mean giving up joy. Most importantly, keep your why in mind, whether it's for an emergency fund, financial security, or a big dream. Remind yourself daily that every dollar saved is a step toward the life you want. You can do this. Now you have a step-by-step plan to save your first $1,000, even if you're on a tight budget. The only thing left? Take action today. Start with one small step right now. Whether it's tracking your spending, canceling an old subscription, or automating your savings. And trust me, when you hit that first $1,000, you'll feel more in control than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to saving money? Let's build financial freedom together.